Chief Meteorologist Albert Ramon in the weather sphere tracking the big changes in the first alert forecast. Albert?
So we're on the backside of that storm system from yesterday that created all the severe weather, bringing in cold air. We have two more storm systems to tell you about. One comes in with a weather alert on Friday. More on that in a second. But we have some passing areas of light rain and snow. You'll see in the last couple of frames on the radar, it's drying up. So we're about done with this mess. And the clouds out here towards the west, they're clearing already out towards extreme far northwestern sections of Illinois. And we'll look for a clearing sky between about 6 o'clock and 10 p.m. All right, here's what we got going on for you. We've got temperatures that are in the 30s right now. We've got areas of snow that's moving on in. I want to show you, though, what we're tracking tonight, because we are tracking a quiet day for tomorrow, but it's a different story as we head towards your Friday. Thursday night into Friday, a strong area of low pressure moves in. There's no severe weather attached to this activity. There could be a little bit of light rain, but it's such an aggressive area of low pressure. It's going to wrap up the winds area wide, 50+ miles per hour. We can't rule out even a few 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts as we head towards your Friday morning, 5 a.m. to 9 a.m. So some damaging winds possible here on Friday. That's why a weather alert is posted. System number 2 comes in on Sunday. It comes in with some wet snow in the morning, comes in with some rain, a cold rain midday into the afternoon, a little bit more snow as we head towards your Sunday night, and that brings in some really cold air. We're not done with winter yet. Both Monday morning and Tuesday morning featuring wind chills over parts of the area that will be below zero. We're in the 30s right now, and as we mentioned on the Doppler radar, the last little bit of moisture is working through the area, and you see it's drying up just in the last couple of minutes. And we've had a few flurries in the city over the last couple of hours, but we're pretty much done with it right now. Clearing sky occurs now through 10 o'clock. There's 9 o'clock with temperatures in the 30s. Sunshine tomorrow morning. We're upper 20s and low 30s. The clouds build in the afternoon. We're dry during the daylight hours. Highs will be in the 40s for tomorrow. Tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, though, here comes the weather system. That'll increase some light rain, and the winds are going to accelerate big time after sunset. But the worst the winds come in early Friday morning, around 5 a.m., 50 to 55 mile per hour wind gusts are in the forecast to start your Friday. At times, can't rule out some wind gusts as high as 60 miles per hour. And even as we head into your Friday afternoon, there's still some 50+ mile per hour wind gusts on the map. So high profile vehicles heads up. Anything loose, objects outside, time down. You got tonight, you got first half of tomorrow before the winds really crank up late Thursday and especially on Friday. Because those winds could be on the damaging side and they'll be widespread, a weather alert is in place. A little bit of light rain and snow possible on Saturday. Better chance of rain and snow at 90% on Sunday. And it is cold to kick off next work week. The high on Monday at only 25 degrees. Erica and Joe.
Thanks, Albert.